Hey guys, it's Frances, and this week's collaboration was hosted by MaeNail Designs. And as always, I'll have all the links for the ladies who were involved in this week's collaboration listed below. The theme was floral and animal print, and you had to combine them on at least one nail. Now, if you've been watching me for any particular amount of time, you know I love florals, but animal prints is a little out of my wheelhouse, a little out of my comfort zone. But I decided to roll with it anyway, and here is a look at my design. And if you want to see how I got this design, just keep watching. And I'm starting out with 2 coats of this patina in marshmallow, and I'm going to show you application, which I don't usually do. I really love this particular nail polish. I don't know if the camera's picking it up really true to color. It's not white. It is mostly white with a touch of like a beige to it, and as you see, the first coat's a little streaky, as any white base polish is going to be, but it actually goes on really nicely and covers really well in 2 coats. I know it looks a little lumpy, but a fast dry top coat clears that up right away, and I'm using Posh as my fast dry top coat this time. And then I'm going to come in with this Edgebus plate. I'm going to use 2 different plates. I'm going to use this Floral Design as my base, and my animal print is going to come from this HK plate, HK09, and it's got the zebra print. And here are the stamping polishes I'm going to be using: Esmalta Sakeli, which is Pinguino, and these 2 are Moira stamping polishes. And you'll see that that blue one has gone through, poor thing, ugly bottle, so it stamps beautifully, just it looks kind of a mess in the bottle. And then I'm going to be using 2 different stampers. This one is a Queen sticky stamper, and this one is an old school Winstonia stamper, and I'll show you in a minute why I'm going to be using it. So for the floral design, I'm combining this blue and this corally color. It's actually a little bit more pink in real life than what it's showing up, and I'm going to do kind of an ombre there. So the more that you scrape, the more you're going to blend in the middle, and I'm going to bring you closer to show you, and I'm going to do this on all my nails actually. So I'm going to show you a different nail up close and personal, and I'm trying not to touch those 2 with my brush so that I don't contaminate my brush. And like I said, you see that beautiful purple comes up in the middle when you do that. And I'm staggering the stamping, so some of them I'm stamping with the blue towards the top, and some I'm stamping with the pink towards the top. And then I'm going to be using this Winstonia stamper head, the squishy one, and I'll show you why. It's kind of a small design, and I wanted those flowers to be able to show through, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this apart, making more space between the zebra stripes. And I'm going to kind of come at a diagonal there. And I was off camera for a second there. And then I'm going to come in with the Posh. Now notice what I did there. This apparently had some of that marshmallow still on the brush because I didn't clean off the brush. So it kind of made that black look a little bit gray. I tried to live with it, guys. I promise you I tried to live with it, but I couldn't. So I'm going to show you a little bit later in the video exactly how I fixed that situation, because I couldn't do it. How many are you with me? I just couldn't look at it. So then I'm going to come in and do some cleanup. I'm using just regular old Scotch tape here to pull up as much as I can. I know I forgot the liquid latex. I had every intention, but didn't happen. So I'm using a very, very thin brush. I think I got these from a cheap pack on Amazon a while back. And I'm also going to come in and touch up areas that got missed a little bit. Sometimes when you're pulling that stamper head wide, if you don't roll it the right way, you'll miss a little bit. But it's okay because the zebra print isn't perfect anyway. So I can just come on ahead in and you would never even know the difference. So that's how I'm going to go ahead and touch that up. So any little area where I felt it wasn't opaque enough or I had missed a little bit on the corner, I went ahead and did that. And then I'm going to show you my cleanup since I forgot my liquid latex. And I'm using straight acetone here. There's an additive in it. And I'm using this number 1 Born Pretty brush to do my cleanup. I actually really love this brush. Occasionally I'll put it somewhere and not remember where I put it, and I'm really sad when that happens. But I really love the cleanup and precision that this brush does. So I'm going to show you that I'm going to come around the corner here. I'll move my finger as much as I can, and just to take off that edging. And again, I'm a lot more precise with my cleanup probably than anybody needs to be, because I do take pictures, and any little imperfection shows up in those pictures like crazy. So if you're doing this just for you and you're not taking pictures of it, I wouldn't worry about cleaning up as much as I do. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you again next time. Oh, and don't forget to check out the other ladies. Thanks.